Hello to all my friends out there. This video is how easy it is to make $100 selling junk jewelry. Okay, in the back here, I have these two little fossils. See this little fossil? I could sell that for $3. I could sell this fossil for $3. I don't sell them because, I use them for decorating my jewelry, but if you find stuff like that, or if you have stuff, it's easy to sell because it looks really pretty on your garden. This thing is easily sold for $3. This picture is easily sold for $3. So you have 6 and 6, that's 12 right there. Now. I hope everyone is doing okay. So this is a good way to encourage kids to earn extra money as well. So you might be saying, well, my kid doesn't have any money. Well, if you collect $3 a day cans, aluminum cans, if you're very careful and you wear gloves, you can generate yourself a little junk jewelry business. So when I first started selling jewelry, I bought junk jewelry and I got a lot of junk, but that's okay. So what I do is I just charge $3 each or 2 for $5. A lot of times people will only buy one item, so I charge them $3. But if they buy a lot, like 17 items, then I charge $2.50 on each item. So if you have junk jewelry and you put your junk jewelry together, see how this looks like a little set? It's not, but it looks like a little set. And see, I didn't buy these at the same time, but see how these look like a little set? That might encourage them to buy two. This little ring, if I sell it without a battery, I sell it $3. If I sell it with a battery, I sell it $8. Now at the swap meet I go to, they have a guy who puts the battery in, so I let them buy it and take it, and if it doesn't work, they can return it. See how I have two orange items here, $2 each, or each item $3. Okay, now this is like a 60s bracelet, $3. This is an amber ring. I would sell that, although it's adjustable, I would sell that for a little bit more, maybe $5, because it's like a nice little amber. And then these are $3, and see how I have a little set here for $3 each, or 2 for $5. So I have 10 items for $38, and then I have 12 items in the back. That would be $48. Okay, so now I prefer to hand pick the jewelry, and I only buy it when it's on sale. Okay, so now what? This is heavy, very heavy. Okay, I have, okay, see this marble slab? I sell those for $5. I gave a lot of them away when I moved, which was kind of a bummer, but hey, that's the way the cookie crumbles, Okay, so now these rings back here are about $3 each. You guys have seen me wear them. I wear my stuff, and when I'm in the mood, I sell it. And what I have here is various keychains. These are actually a really good deal. What does this say? To my, I don't know what, bedroom. That's a key to my bedroom. That's a keychain, $3 each. This is like one of those Lucky Dragon type. Now these you could sell for $5 on eBay, I might. And then these are cute. Most likely this came from Mexico or some, country on a vacation. And this is a little unicorn necklace. Kids love these. And then some girls look very, very cute in these feather earrings. And I have a lot of them. I usually keep them together. And then this is actually a pretty decent bracelet. And then this is probably some memento. It's kind of a vintage keychain. I might sell that on eBay. So what we have here is 20 items at $3, that would be $60. So we had what, 48, we have 108, and now you guys may remember, let me get this one out of the way. Usually I put the stuff on a table. Sometimes you've seen me, I just throw big piles of jewelry on the tables, and the girls walk over and they'll walk straight to something, and you know, like, the trick to this is you need a lot, but you can start out with only a little. Okay, you guys remember I bought this jewelry case. It's really nice. It's just like new. See, it has the $25, and that's a steal. I may sell this on eBay. Made in China. Good luck getting stuff made in China. So $25. So figure $123 plus 12 in the back. So 5 plus 12 in the back. 5, 3. So about $135. So, you know, the stuff is very low cost jewelry, but the $30 is going to pay your way in. So basically, if you sell at a flea market or swap meet, you're saying, here, take my jewelry box free. So I also used to sell on consignment. And I mean, I have gone back and the place is closed down, and you know, they usually want a huge buy and they're really not that good at selling it. So I want to encourage you guys, say, okay, what I did for years is I would say, okay, today I'm just going to try to find one thing at a very good price. So if you find, like out here, they pack the jewelry like crazy, like in vases and stuff. And so what they'll do is they'll just slash the price. When they slash the price, that's the time to buy. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and God bless you, and start your own little merchandise business. Try to get away from labor and working for other people. We have seen what comes to that. All right, God bless you all.